Hey, what's going on, guys? So, welcome back to another video for the Angular crash course. So, here I'm going to explain you about the pipes in Angular. So, pipes are a very useful feature in Angular. So, they are a simple way to transform values in an Angular template. A pipe takes in a value or values and then returns a value. So, there is a great example for the transformation on data, but it also you can use in other unique ways. You can also by using the pipes, you can work with the currency, or you can work with the dates, you can work with uppercase, lowercase. So we will work with all those examples that we will discuss about the pipes. So let's get started. So here I'm going to explain you a very basic example. Let's suppose I create the date function for my pipe. So in order to use pipe in Angular, so inside that, I'm going to create the date. I believe it should be created at. So I created the created at equal to new. So I created the date function constructor. You know that the new is basically created for the constructor. So we created a date constructor here, and inside my sandbox.component.html, I'm gonna do here is to create a paragraph tag, and today date is using the again string interpolation double curly braces, and inside that I'm gonna do is to assign the date. Let's suppose created at. Remember, this is basically coming from here. So created at, and I'm using a pipe character here. So I use the date as a pipe. So if I go back to here, and now you see the today date is November 23, 2019. Just zoom that out. All right. So in case I can also change the formats, and in order to change that, I just grab this, paste that down here, and for that I can also use the formats for the date as I just explained. So for this I using again date colon, and put some double quotes here. So double quotes, and for month dash, and dd dash yy. So it should be 4y's here. So if I go back to the browser, and you see the format has been changed a bit. Now it's not showing you any November, only the date format. All right, only the month, day, and the year. All right, we can also have like we can also show only the years if you are interested. So you can simply go down here to show the current year. And you can only do is so 4y's, and that one is show you only 2019, sir. You can also do one more stuff. Let's suppose I want to have our we can also work with the uppercase, lowercase. So let's suppose I can use here um, my name is, and I use some curly braces and assign my name Abdullah. And by using the pipes, I can assign in the uppercase, so uppercase, and we can also do lowercase as you know. So I can use here lowercase, and if I save that, and now you see that it's in the uppercase and it's in the lowercase. All right. So next we can also work with the currencies. So let's suppose currency. If you're interested to work with the currency, so I can also assign the value. Let's suppose I gave it the money equal to 200, and inside that your money in currency, your money and using double. I using money as the object, and currency. We are working with the pipes. So currency, and if I go back to the browser, and now you see we have our dollar. So you can change that currency according to your documentation. I can also you can have the Angular documentation where you can see the all about the pipes. There are various types of depending on your condition. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy.